Hi there! Naranasan mo na bang tumayo sa crossroad? Yung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, sa kanan ba o sa kaliwa? Word of the day, bifurcation. 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 It is a noun which means division of something into two parts or into two roads. Yung paghahati ng isang road into two paths or ng isang city into two different zones. Let's use it in a sentence. Because of the bifurcation of the road, the joggers were forced to choose whether to jog to the right or to the left. Dahil sa bifurcation, yung mga joggers kailangan nilang pumili kung sa kanan ba sila pupunta o sa kaliwa. Just like that, our life gives us bifurcation moments. We have two choices. We have two decisions to make. And before we make any decisions, remember to pause and pray, because not all open roads lead to success. Have a great day.